Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Oh, nice. It threw it basically right where I wanted. And that would be right here at 0.094. Why is 0.094? Why do I say that? Well, I mean, you go through the history of the chart today, and you can see on several occasions, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 0.094, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above 0.094, that would be the ideal situation. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, if you're watching level 2s today, you probably know exactly where I'm headed with this. But right here at about 10 cents, several times today, the bears, pushed down the price whenever the bulls got up around that area. So, I mean, you can just see a whole bunch of times up here, the price tried to get above it and couldn't quite do it. So 10 cents, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Great way to close out the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.